This is why you need to secure your cloud storage accounts. Hey there! Cloud storage is like your personal locker on the internet, where you can store photos, documents, and all sorts of files. But without proper security, it's like leaving your locker wide open. First tip, use strong, unique passwords for each account. Simple but effective. Think passphrases instead of passwords, like Sunny Beach 2024. Next, enable two-factor authentication. It's an extra layer of security that keeps the bad guys out, even if they snag your password. Third, regularly update your software. Those updates aren't just for new features, they patch security holes too. Lastly, be aware of phishing scams. If something looks fishy, don't click it. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to secure your cloud storage. Stay safe, stay smart. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.